Alright, and here we go. Oh shit, don't want to copyright myself. So we'll see how good the action cam works as a dash cam. It has a nice little mount that works quite well actually in my camera mount. So I'm going to see how well it works here as a driving cam. The nice thing is where it's so small and light, I don't know if it'll shake around much at all. Unlike the camcorder, which was awkwardly weighted. This thing is just small and it's perfectly centered and everything. I think it's going to do well, but until we see this footage, I won't know. That's okay. So, just on a mission, this old lawn tractor going up the old man's place. Or, well, for the old man's place. So I'm taking it up there. I had it running last night. It's not running the best, but it's running. Holy crap, there's people everywhere. It's a traffic jam and I live in the middle of nowhere. But yeah, I had her running last night. She didn't run the best. I had to clean the carbs and stuff. The thing's been sitting forever. It was just given to me, but he had it sitting in his yard. He didn't want to frig with it. So I frigged with it, and it didn't take long to get it running actually. Usual lawn tractor suspects, the carb was dirty, the key switch was dirty. You ever have a lawn tractor that doesn't want to go and should go, just play with the wires behind the key. Usually that plug-in behind that corrodes, and it'll act like it won't want to roll over. But yeah, other than that, I mean I'm trying to say, the deck on the thing's rotten. But that wasn't what I meant to say. I don't know, I lost my train of thought. Well, that always sucks, but that's alright. You know what they say, if it was anything important, you won't remember. It's probably bullshit. Oh shit, they cut down some trees back there. I never noticed that. But yeah, it's fucking turning into a nice evening now, finally. It was kind of shitty earlier. It was all rainy and stuff, but that's not so bad. It's cold though. It's not very warm at all. But that's okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. Thank you. I don't want to T-bone that Jeep. At least I have a camera to record it. Diving in the ocean up there. But yeah, I'm interested to see the difference with this because wider field of vision might be good. But I have a feeling the microphone's on the other side of the camera, so you might not even hear me very well. It doesn't have a mic in jack, so it may not work. We'll see what happens. Oh, somebody got a brand new F-150. Why you want it? Fuck. Who the hell wants a white vehicle? I don't know. I never would. I have no need, want, or use for a white vehicle. That's for damn sure. I don't like the way they rust. Everything shows up. Oh fuck, I'll tell you a funny one today, boys. I'll admit to you, the hillbilly don't know a hell of a lot about car washing or waxing. A little bit about the washing, but not much. Don't know jack shit about the waxing. Anyways, boss said, wash and wax my truck. You just got this truck all geared up, painted and stuff. So I was like, alright. So I wash it. The weather wasn't quite right, so I waited a while, and then, okay, I go to wax it. Well, the wax he gave me to use, one was fucking older than the fucking sands of time, and two was like the color match shit, which I didn't know was a problem until I turned his white fucking like a Navigator pink. Yeah, fucking turned the thing Mary Kay, Avon. Oh yeah. Luckily he wasn't there to see it. But holy fuck, it was fucking bad scene. It was not looking good. And I know he would not have been too fucking happy with that. Luckily, we found some stuff that took it off. So that was pretty sweet. And we actually was able to, you know, salvage the wax job, and it actually turned out half decent. Until the truck locked itself. That was even funnier. Friggin' thing, as we're washing it. I might have hit the key down or something, that's why, but the thing fucking locked. Couldn't fucking believe it. But luckily, we got back into it. All is good. Fuck, what a pain in the ass that is. That's why I never wax shit. I don't even know what the fuck I'm doing. Actually, I just never have vehicles that are worth waxing, to be honest. If I did have a vehicle worth waxing, I'd probably do it, but the few times I've had a vehicle with a good enough paint job to actually be worth fixing, the fucking vehicle was so fucked in other ways. Like I had this mint Honda Accord a few years ago, and it had a beautiful body, good paint job, no scratches really or nothing. The problem was the motor was blown, and well, it had a burnt valve, so it didn't run very good. I ran it that way anyways, but then come back here, right about here actually. I was coming back one night, hit some ice ruts, and tore a brake line off. Fuel on, or gas tank started blinking, so I just got rid of the goddamn thing. One less hassle to worry about. Oh, the old man is here. Alright guys, well, I'm out of here. I gotta unload this tractor. Have a good one.